Okay, new tool. A handheld planer for my uneven floor problem. It's a real problem. Scissor. Okay, let's see. Nope, that one is open. This one's not. Well, you come run in? You want to see what I got? Oh boy. Okay. Oh, it has come in the bag. Love tools that come in the bag. I don't know why, because I never put them back in it. Yep. You approve? Okay. Let's see here. Unzipping. Okay, how does this work, huh? Let's see. Something. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed. I should go get my tripod. The thing. Not the thing. Get the actual thing. Okay, dust bag. I think we're gonna try to hook it up to the vacuum though, because those dust bags don't suck. Thank you for your help, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Interesting. I'll figure out how to use this. Oh. Fudge. Are you serious? Are you serious? Good. It's broken. Of course. That's really disappointing. Obviously it still works, but I just paid $140 for this, and I got the coverage for $20 for 2 years, so I guess I'll call them. That means I can't use it tonight. I'm gonna cry.